Welcome to Business News SA. Today we take a look at a comprehensive guide to dropshipping. The allure of e-commerce is undeniable: the freedom to be your boss, the potential for explosive growth, and the ability to turn your passions into profits. However, the traditional model often comes with a significant barrier to entry: inventory. Here's where dropshipping emerges as a game changer, allowing you to launch a successful online store without the burden of managing stock. This comprehensive guide delves into the world of dropshipping, equipping you with the knowledge and strategies to navigate this exciting business model. Understanding the dropshipping ecosystem. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you, the store owner, retailer, don't keep products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order on your online store, you forward the order details and shipping instructions to a third-party supplier, dropshipper. The dropshipper then packages and ships the product directly to your customer. Key players in the dropshipping game. You, the retailer, you're the mastermind behind the online store. You're responsible for marketing, customer service, and setting the retail price for the products. The dropshipper, this is your behind-the-scenes partner who holds the inventory, packs, and ships the products to your customers. Choosing a reliable dropshipper with a good reputation is crucial for your business's success. The customer, the lifeblood of your business. These are the people who discover your online store, browse your products, and ultimately make purchases. The advantages of dropshipping. Low startup costs. One of the biggest perks of dropshipping is the minimal upfront investment. You don't need to purchase inventory in bulk, which reduces financial risk and allows you to test different product lines without significant financial commitment. Scalability made simple: as your business grows, you don't need to worry about increased storage space or managing a larger inventory. The dropshipper handles order fulfillment, allowing you to scale your business efficiently. Wide product selection. Dropshippers often offer a vast array of products across various categories. This flexibility allows you to cater to a broader audience and experiment with different product niches to find what resonates most with your customers. Location independence. The beauty of e-commerce is that you can run your dropshipping business from virtually anywhere with a reliable internet connection. This allows for location flexibility and opens doors to a global customer base. Essential steps to launching your dropshipping business. Find your niche. Don't be a generic store. Identify a niche market with passionate customers and a proven online demand. Consider your own interests and areas of expertise to find a niche you can truly connect with. Research and choose winning products. Conduct thorough product research to identify items with high profit margins and good sales potential. Look for products with positive customer reviews and consider seasonality and trends. Select reliable dropshipping suppliers. This is a critical step. Partner with reputable dropshippers who offer high-quality products, competitive pricing, timely shipping, and excellent customer service. Don't be afraid to negotiate for better pricing or explore working with multiple dropshippers to find the best deals. Crafting a compelling customer experience. Product descriptions and images. High-quality product descriptions and professional product photos are essential for convincing customers to buy. Provide detailed information about features, benefits, specifications, and variations. Competitive pricing. Price your products competitively while maintaining healthy profit margins. Research your competitors and consider offering discounts or bundle deals to attract customers. Seamless checkout process. Ensure your checkout process is smooth and secure. Offer various payment options and clear shipping information to build trust with your customers. Exceptional customer service. Prioritize excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns efficiently, and go the extra mile to create a positive customer experience. Marketing magic for your dropshipping store. SEO optimization. Optimize your product pages and website content for relevant search terms to improve organic search ranking and attract potential customers. Content marketing: create informative and engaging content related to your niche. Publish blog posts, infographics, or videos to attract visitors and establish yourself as an authority figure.